message from my dad to me from up in heaven. Where have you gone? What have you done? It's been so long since I saw your face. It's been so long since we sat and talked in this familiar place. What have you done? What have you seen? Are you still living life like it was on a Fantasy? Now I know I'm gone, time has moved on, just like those old familiar songs. You are strong, you are kind, but you can't see the rainbow if you're living like you're colorblind. So just be who you are and live your truth, and I'll see you again when this life is through. Because you are my son, my baby boy, the one that I love, and I just do not care about the wrong that you've done. I just want you to find a way to learn to love someone. Yeah. Thank you guys. God bless y'all.
Well, that was awesome. Nicely done, folks.
We all good.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Tom.
Beauty.
Beauty job.